Kim had taken her friend's name instead of Megumi, she had called her Myugin. Now, this was a mistake and it's a major mistake. Oshini san heard her. Now, he made a funny sound in his throat like ah and an abrupt motion with the stick towards the teacher that you should do something now. Now, what the teacher had to do, because the teacher had to take an action now. She has made a mistake. Who had made a mistake? Kyoko, that old 10 years old little girl. She had made it. Now, she is the daughter of vice principal and she has never been beaten up before. She was a good student also, but now since she has made a mistake, the teacher had to call out her name and call her in front. She was very angry, not frightened. Why? Because she knew that it is not my mistake. This name is there on my tongue, and all of a sudden, how come my friend has changed her name? We have all changed our name. She was actually angry from inside and she was not feeling guilty at all. But the teacher had to give her punishment. She banged on her legs, and that bang was actually unfair. The unfair word was coming out from her heart. The moment she was getting the rangs on her head, the word was ringing in her mind. What was the word? It's unfair. Now, at home, when she went at night, Omoni. Now, who is Omoni? Omoni is a Korean word for mother. Omoni saw the red welts on her leg. What does the word welt mean? The red marks which is caused by being hit or from cut. So it happened due to the hit only. She soothed them. Soothed means she had made them better. How? By putting a paste of herbs. It took little days to cure it, but it happened because of the hit of the teacher only. Now, she was very angry at that time that she has lost her name, and even her best friend Tomo, he was there. Now, he is a Japanese child. Who is Tomo? Tomo is the son of the principal with whom Kim used to, or Kyoko used to play. Now, they both were playing with each other, and after a while, by mistake, Tomo had taken Kyoko's old name. What was her old name? Her old name was Kim only. So by mistake, he had taken the old name, King Sung Hee. Now, what does the child, the boy felt? Oh, I took the wrong name. I have to call her Kyoko. Then again he said in his mind, he's telling the names 2-3 times. No, I have to call her Kyoko all the time. And again he made the mistakes. By the time he's thinking I'll have to call her Kyoko, he used to take the old name. So this was happening. Now he pounded the name into his brain by taking the names 3 times, Kyoko, Kyoko, Kyoko. But it had become a tongue twister for him, and it was a quite a laughter for both of them. They both started laughing. That Tomo had to take the old name only. So this was quite a laugh for both of them. They both started laughing on the silly sounds which Tomo was making. Since Tomo was a Japanese child, he was a son of the principal only, who was a Japanese person himself. So he was feeling little sorry for all the people, all the students, that they all had to change their name because of us only. Who is us over here? Here, us is Japanese people, because we are over them, over the Korean people, and they are following it. Somehow they are losing their own identity and they are taking their own the names which we are actually forcing them to keep. So Tomo asked a question just for opinion. What do you think, my friend? Shall I call you with your old name? Then what happened? Kim, or Kyoko, had taken a pause. She thought for a minute and then she said, no, my friend, you should not call me with my old name. Why? Because if you'll call me with my old name, what will the other people think about you? If you would make the mistake, then other students will laugh on you and you would lose your face. That means you will feel embarrassed and become less respected by others, and I don't accept that because you are my friend. So you'll have to keep your respect up. Hi. And you can call me with my new name only, and don't feel sorry about it. It's not your fault. And this way the chapter has ended. They both knew that that he is sorry and he wanted his friend's old name only, but he cannot do anything since he is also a child. So that's the end of the story. I hope you all have liked it. It is all about the Japanese people rule over the Korean people and the story of 1940. Now I will be sending you the PDF of the lesson and the question answers. Go through it, go through the lesson. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the group. Thank you, children. Stay safe. Have a nice day.